y'all, this is me, Bianca Naka. If you are interested in this look, make sure you continue watching this video. Chinalacewig. Let's see what is in the box. So we got the wig cap and we have the hair, of course. Let's get into the wig specs. So this is an 18-inch and it is 150% density. It is a highlight ombre color and it is a 5x5 HD lace closure wig. So I want to show you an up close on this lace, right? So this is HD and it really melts into my skin color. Anybody's skin color is gonna melt right into, because as you can see, it is HD. So we don't have to pluck these knots, okay? We don't have to pluck anything. It is pre-plucked and it is also pre-bleached. You can see that the inside of the wig comes with 3 combs, so 2 on the front sides and 1 in the back. Then you have the adjustable straps as well. Okay, so right here I'm just trying on the wig. I want to see what it looks like against my skin, debating whether I should use a cap or not and use the meltdown method. I usually don't like doing that with a 5x5 closure because my goal is to just, you know, put it on and take it off whenever I'm ready to at night. So I decided to actually do the meltdown method just because the part did not look as bright without it. So that's what I decided to do. So I went ahead and sprayed some bold head spray to the middle part, you know, right there. You don't have to do the sides, just the 5-inch space right on your forehead. So once I was done with my cap, I added some makeup to it and then I placed my wig on my head. So I'm adding some bold head spray just to stick the cap to my wig and it can stay in place. Once the wig is positioned to my liking, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray onto my wig and lace and, you know, pat it down and use the comb to comb through it because you don't want it to get too tacky to the point where it's just sticking, it's really stiff. So you always want to comb it out after you you know, spray your free spray. I swear I could never just spray this free spray on evenly, whether it's this or got to be freeze. Like, oh my god, it is a pain. Now, if you want your wig to lay down, you definitely need an elastic band because this is going to allow it to melt into your skin. You want to leave it on. You want to leave it on until you're at least done styling your hair. I would say a good 15 minutes, and once you take it off, it's gonna look super scalpy. So at this point, I'm just gonna let you guys watch me style the hair, and once I'm done, you can get back with me at the end of the video. Enjoy the music and enjoy the video. this is the final look. Baby hairs. I did the baby hairs off camera because I actually was recording me doing it, but the camera cut off. But I did add some crimps, as you can see, and I love this hair. It's so cute. But what I really love the most is the lace, the HD lace wig. The lace blends so well. I didn't have to bleach the knots at all. As soon as I laid the lace onto my head, it melted right on into my skin, okay? So this is the final look. I hope you love it. I love this highlight in the front with the crimps. It does look so beautiful. Look at that. Yes, I love it. So this is Chinalacewig, and I will be leaving all the information below. So if you are interested in this wig, make sure you use my code for a special discount. And once again, my name is Bianca Naka, and I'm tuning out.